Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about 10 benefits of corn silk. Number 1. It treats urinary tract infections. Corn silk works as an anti-inflammatory agent for urinary tract infections. It basically coats the urinary tract lining and prevents further irritation. Corn silk tea consumption helps soothe the inflamed bladder and the urinary tract. It makes you urinate and thus reduces the risk of bacteria buildup in the urinary tract. It is also used to soothe the irritated prostate gland. Number 2. Works as a diuretic agent. For ages, corn silk tea has been used as a natural potent diuretic agent. It helps flush out excess water and waste from the body, thereby reducing complications related to water retention. According to studies, usage of diuretics helps get rid of several health hazards including congestive heart failure and kidney diseases in the long run. Number 3. Corn silk keeps kidney stones at bay. Kidney stones are made of small crystallized deposits that can cause pain and annoyance. Corn silk has been used since the ancient days to prevent the occurrence of kidney stones. Corn silk usage can increase urine flow and decrease the chances of sediment formation in the kidneys, which otherwise can eventually lead to kidney stone formation. However, remember that its use will not treat kidney stones that are already present. Number 4. Facilitates blood clotting. It contains vitamin K that helps in the process of blood clotting. This ensures you do not experience excessive blood loss in the event of an injury. Number 5. Lowers blood pressure. A lot of people suffer from high blood pressure or hypertension issues nowadays. They can consume corn silk tea to reduce high blood pressure. This will ensure they don't have to cope with the adverse effects of OTC blood pressure medications. Number 6. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Taking corn silk tea helps those with blood sugar issues, as per the findings of studies conducted in recent times. A study was published in 2012 in International Journal of Biological Macromolecules showed the impact of corn silk extract had on diabetes. The study was carried out on laboratory rats afflicted with diabetes, and the study authors noted that the application of corn silk polysaccharides helps reduce blood sugar levels. High blood sugar leads to a lot of ailments like stroke, kidney problems, and diabetes. Another study that was published in 2009 in Nutrition and Metabolism Journal showed that corn silk tea aids in insulin generation in the human body. Number 7. Helps to heal inflammatory ailments and conditions. Corn silk is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Traditional medicine followers are of the view that it can be used to reduce the pain caused by inflammatory ailments like gout and arthritis. The diuretic action of corn silk may prevent excess uric acid formation in the body joints, which leads to gout pain. However, it should not be taken as a cure for arthritis-related conditions. Number 8. Helps fight cholesterol. Cholesterol in the bloodstream leads to the onset of several critical ailments in the long run, including cardiac complications. Keeping cholesterol levels in the blood low is the key to staying healthy and avoid heart hazards, said by the doctors. A study carried out by Jilin University scientists in China showed that the corn silk consumption brings down cholesterol in rodents. Number 9. Source of vitamin C. Corn silk contains vitamin C, which is ideal for boosting immunity. It also plays a pivotal role in regulating a myriad of functions in the human body. Number 10. Helps fight obesity. Obesity is a major health menace affecting a large part of human population nowadays. While obesity is caused by more than one factor including genetics, some people put on excess weight owing to excess water retention and toxin accumulation in the body. Since corn silk helps eliminate excess water and waste from the body, such people will find it helpful to evade weight gain. They can have this tea twice or thrice a day for maximum benefits. However, It would be wrong to assume that it is a cure for obesity. Topical usage of corn silk. You can also use corn silk topically. The tea made with it can be applied topically to deal with skin problems like boils and rashes. It also helps alleviate itching and pain caused by skin wounds. Here's how corn silk is produced for usage. Once you take off the greenish cover surrounding the corn cob, you get another layer of stringy stuff. This is known as the corn silk. You can use it in both fresh and dried forms. You need to pull out the golden green strands of the corn and store them in a pot. If you want to store them fresh, put them in an airtight container and store it in the fridge. It will last for a couple of weeks this way. Based on the weather, you may need to completely dry the silk for a few days, after which it can be stored for a long time. You can also make tea from corn silk. Here's the method to make it.